as you can see on my test here, that we are a little deficient in phosphorus and our pH needs to come up a little bit. So today we're gonna put a little bit of phosphorus out, a little bit of lime, and a little bit of X soil so we can stimulate our microbial population and get things warmed up for spring. Here we go. When amending your soils, you never want to apply everything at once. You want to make your correction over time, in parts, if you will. So today, I'm about a 50-pound bag of 0.46.0 from being corrected. So I'm just going to apply maybe half of that bag today and save the other half of that bag for when I aerate, and I'll just reapply. Same thing with my lime. I plan on putting maybe 4 bags out today. It is an enhanced lime, which has a penetrant in it that helps push that into the soil, as well as an enhanced lime also is ground very fine so that it can move through the soil profile quickly. And I'm going to go ahead and put about a bag of X soil out evenly across the entire lawn just to get these microbes working, and I might even get some humic out today. I'm not sure. We'll see. So today we took a look at our soil test, and we're deficient in phosphorus, and also we have an acidic soil, so we added some enhanced lime. And for the phosphorus, we added about a half a bag of some triple super phosphate. And you never want to add all of your amendments at one time, or basically you don't want to make all of your corrections at one time. You want to do it over time. A little bit at a time is better than all at once. So looks like maybe next week we're going to have to put some humic out. I'm not going to put any kelp with it. It's just going to be humic and fulvic, and we'll probably spot spray some glyphosate on some flower beds and wherever we have some weeds popping up that are not in the lawn. We're going to have another round of monument probably coming up in the next week or two, whenever we get the right weather and rainfall in forecast. So anyway, I'll catch you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in. I think my boots are dirty. Today's activities got preempted by some neighbors coming over and a little bit of chicken on the grill. So we're going to go in and enjoy these. I'll catch you guys next week.